You just put them in the microwave.
No,
Whoa!
you can't.
Fucking idiot. Put fucking lights on! Put some fucking lights on!
Everyone's flashing out there. You don't need lights when you're a Scientologist.
Put some fucking lights on! Put some fucking lights on!
Oh, there's no help for some people.
These are all what I've got. Jesus Christ! Didn't even see that coming. Oh my god. I want another one.
Go on, Nevo, get it! No, they have to keep the price low.
What the?
Were you indicating left?
No, I'm going that way. What is wrong with you?
Just go.
Fucking hell. Piece of shit.
Why?
I know exactly what they're going to do.
Bubbles in my eyes now, maybe I'm just dreaming. I'm in the sad club, just trying to get out. I'm the sad now, in this place, well, it's a mad one. Oh my God. All of my friends know it's nothing, you're a bad thing.
What is it happening?
It's a joke.
It's probably an accident or something, isn't it? What are you doing, prick?
Twat man.
He doesn't know what to do. Jesus fucking Christ! Fucking knobble! The fuck do you call that? Fuck is that? The fuck?
Oh, jeez, we'll get going. Flipping heck.
Sorry. No, that wasn't you, Sam. Sorry, I took the car, I should have taken it. Sorry.
No.
Yo, buddy, I've got it on camera. I've got the camera. Fucking hell.
You fucking idiots.
Oh my god. Fuck me! This is why I have a dash cam. Yeah, that.
What? How is she doing? He literally said to her, like,
Do you want to look?
yes, I do.
Two of those questions. I think what the Governor of the Bank of England was saying was that it's important to get credit flowing to companies. There are different ways to do that. I just, as I reiterated my answer to Hugh, there's of course things we can do to make sure that the
Fuck.